Hey guys, welcome to One Step Ahead. In the previous video, we discussed about analogy, and in this video, we will discuss about clock. So, basically, clock deals with the three hands of the clock, the relation between the three hands of the clock, that is, minute hand, hour hand, and the second hand, with the hour hand with the smallest. In 60 minutes, minute hand gains is equals to 55 minutes over hour hand, means in 1 hour minute hand will give 60 minutes and an hour hand will only give 5 minutes. We we say that the minute hand gains is equals to 55 minutes over the hour hand. We know that in 60 minutes, minute hand, the angle covered by minute hand is 360 degrees. So in 1 minute, the angle covered will be 6 degree. And in 12 hours, the angle covered is 360 degrees. So in 1 hour, it would be 30 degree. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 60 minutes is 30 degree, and 1 minute is equals to half degree. Means in 1 minute, our hand gains half degree. So therefore the angle traced per minute by the second hand is 360 degree, minute hand is 6 degree, and hour hand is 1 degree. Okay, the relative speed of minute hand over hour hand is 5 into 1, 5 half, that is 5.5 degrees. Now the question comes as the relation between positions of hands of clock. So in every 12 hours, both the hands coincide 11 times. So in 24 hours, both the hands will coincide 11 into 24, but that is 22 times. Means coincide, it's 11 times as it coincide twice on 12 at 12 o'clock. So again. In every 12 hours, both hands are in opposite directions 11 times. So in every 24 hours, both hands are in opposite direction will be 22 times. So the hour hand and the means minute hand in 12 hours are same straight line in 22 times, and in 24 hours they are in 44 times. Same straight line means they are coincident plus opposite directions, because in both the conditions are in same straight lines. In right angles 22 times and 44 times respectively. If both the hands of a clock start moving together from the same position, then both the hands will coincide after 65 into 5 by 11 minutes. Okay, now we come between x and x plus 1 clock. The two hands will be t minutes apart at 5x plus minus t 12 by 11 minute past x. This is a very important formula. By this formula we can solve maximum number of questions. So if both the hands are coincident, then t is equals to 0. So formula comes to be 60x by 11 minute past x. When at right angle, t is equals to 15. Opposite directions, t is equals to 30. That is formula comes to be 5x plus minus 30 12 by 11 minute past x. As plus minus is given, we will take plus when the value of x is less than 6 and minus when the value of x is greater than 6. Now we will see it by solving few questions. For example, the question is at what time between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock the hands of the clock the hands of the clock be together. So we will say here x be 1 and x plus 1 is equals to 2, as we can see. So we will see the formula of coincident, that is 60x by 11 past x. That is our first formula. So we will solve here by putting the value of x is equals to 1. 60 into 1 by 11 past 1. We will do the further calculations. The next question is at what time between 3 and 4 o'clock the hands of the clock be 4 minutes apart. As you can see that in this question the value of t is equals to 4 is given. So we will solve the formula for we will solve the basic formula, that is 5x plus minus t 12 by 11 minutes past x, for plus and minus values both. T is 4, 12 by 11 past 3. So 5 into 3 plus 4, 12 by 11 past 3, and 5 into 3 minus 4, 12 by 11 past 3. By this we can solve this question. You can do the further calculations. And the next question is what angle will be formed at 3:30? For solving this question, we will convert it into minutes. 3:30 means 3 hours 30 minutes. So 3 hours, that is 3 into 60, 180 plus 30, that is 210 minutes. As we have seen earlier that our hand covers half degree in a minute. So in 210 minutes, our hand will covers 210 by 2 degree. That is 105 degrees. And in 30 minutes, as minute hand covers 6 degree in 1 minute, so in 30 minutes it will cover 30 into 6, that is 180 degrees. So we have to find the angle between them. So 180 minus 105 degrees, that will come to be 75 degree will be the answer. If in the question it asks for reflex angle, then we will subtract it from 360 degree. We will solve by this method only, and we will subtract the answer from 360 degree. We will get the reflex angle. Now the next point is about the faulty clocks. Whenever a clock is too fast or too slow, then hands of the clock will coincide at the interval of 65.5 by 11 minutes. Second point is, if the minute hand of a clock overtakes the hour hand at the interval of x minute of the correct time, then the clock lose or gains 720 by 11 minus x. In this question, if each of the number is replaced by the English vowels in the sequence A, E, I, O, U, the hour hand will be between which pair at 9:30? So we will replace like A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U in this way. At 9:30, the hour hand will be between O and U. By the help of these formulas, you can solve the questions related to clock. For your views, you can comment on this video. Thank you.